Great. You can start by saying, "Hi everyone, welcome to my English grammar video. Today we're going to talk about the simple present tense."
Hi everyone, and it's been a while, and I will recording my English now. For last several days, I've been focused on coding using cursor, and I built a very useful terminal app, and I use it for myself. And in the future, I will publish this app and show this app for everyone. So
That's a great start. You've explained what you've been working on and what you're planning to do. Now let's talk about the simple present tense. Can you give me an example of
No, please, Gemini, let me down my word.
Okay, no problem. Take your time.
So I will publish my terminal app when I use it for about 2 weeks, and I'll test it and make it more better. So let's get back this video. So today I will to learn verb tense and use the Gemini with me. So Gemini can explain what verb tense is. So I will study from her. So hi Gemini.
Hi there. I'm ready to help you with verb tenses. Where would you like to start?
Let's start the simple present. You can see on my laptop screen we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 tenses. So let's start with simple present. What is the simple present is?
Great. So the simple present tense is used for things that happen regularly, or things that are generally true. Could you give me an example sentence?
I give you a sample?
Yes, please give me a sample sentence using the simple present tense.
I thought will be I often wake up early. Is that a simple present?
Yes, I often wake up early is a great example of simple present tense. It describes a regular habit. Can you think of any other sentences using the simple present?
I'm recording English video. Is that a simple present too?
Not quite. I am recording English video is in the present continuous tense, which describes an action happening right now. Simple present would be I record English videos. Notice how the verb record is used in its base form. Do you want to try another example?
I record English videos, and it just describe I do something, but now I'm actually recording English video. It's not a simple present.
You're right, I record English videos as simple present, but it sounds like you're describing what you're doing right now. In that case, you'd use the present continuous. I am recording an English video. Any other sentences you'd like to try?
So, could you give me some example about simple present? I just use the often habit, but I don't understand what is how to describe facts in the simple present.
Here's one. The sun rises in the east. Can you think of another sentence about a fact using the simple present tense?
Okay, the sun rises east. It's actually a fact. What about say the sun is rising in east at east? It's not a simple present, right?
You're right, the sun is rising in the east is present continuous. It describes what's happening right now. The sun rises in the east is simple present because it's always true. Want to try another example?
I got it. So I can say the facts and the habits. I play football. I record English video. I make apps. It's all simple present. So it's not the action is happening now. So next.
Let's move on to simple past tense. This is used for actions that happened in the past and are now finished. Are you ready to explore some examples?
Simple past is can you explain it again? I don't listen clear.
Sure. Simple past tense is for actions that started and finished in the past. For example, I ate breakfast this morning, or she lived in London for 2 years. Do you have a sentence you'd like to share?
I heard you say the act is started. Always also simple past. So I started record English videos. So is that I can use simple past to say it?
Yes, you could say, I started recording English videos. That's simple past tense, and it's perfect for describing something you began in the past. Do you want to try another example?
I got it. So I'm started something is also use the simple past. I ate dinner for a while. So is that a simple past usage?
Yes, I ate dinner a while ago is a great example of simple past tense. It clearly shows the action is finished. Do you want to explore more examples, or are you ready to move on to past continuous?
No, I think I need more example to practice the simple past. Let me think about it. So I made a terminal app yesterday. Is a simple past, right?
Yes, I made a terminal app yesterday is a great example of simple past tense. It clearly shows the action is finished. Do you want to explore more examples, or are you ready to move on to past continuous?
So for now, I need you give me some very regular examples. So let me see the simple past over.
Here are a few more examples of simple past tense. I saw a great movie last night. She finished her project on time. They traveled to Japan last summer. How about you give it a try?
I need to try describe somebody else, not me. So I will say the cat made a cabinet this afternoon. Is that right?
That's right. The cat nap this afternoon is a great example of simple past tense. It clearly describes a completed action in the past. Do you want to explore more examples, or are you ready to move on to past continuous?
So I will try to say another simple past about somebody else for people. Like he tried to swim but failed. So is that right? Simple past?
Yes, he tried to swim but failed is a great example of simple past tense. It clearly describes a completed action in the past. Do you want to explore more examples, or are you ready to move on to past continuous?
I think I can use the simple past. So let's move on the next. In my laptop screen, you can see the next is not past continuous, it's the simple future. So can you explain simple future?
You're right. Simple future is next. It's used for actions that will happen in the future. We often use will plus a verb. For example, I will travel to Japan next year. What do you think you'll do in the future?
I will running next morning or tomorrow morning. Is that right?
I will go running tomorrow morning is perfect. It clearly expresses your future intention. Do you want to explore other examples, or are you ready to learn about future continuous?
Why do you say I will go running and not I will running? So is any different between these two sentences?
I will run is correct, but I will go running is more natural. It's like saying you'll participate in the activity of running, rather than just move quickly. Both are simple future tense. Ready for future continuous?
Could you explain why I will go running is more nature? Is that some grammar rulers in here or not? Is just people always say this.
Go running is more natural because go is often used with activities. It's similar to go swimming or go shopping. There aren't specific grammar rules, it's just common usage. Are you ready for future continuous?
I got it. So I will to say, but I will go say. I thought it's not very correct, right? I will say. The next time I will say, right?
I will say is perfectly fine. It's a simple, direct way to express what you'll do in the future. Are you ready to move on to future continuous?
Yeah. and you just say the go is more nature, so I'm confused. What if I say the sentence about I will go say? Is that right? I thought it's not right.
I will go say is not correct. It should be I will say. Go is generally used before a verb expressing an activity. For example, I will go swimming or I will go shopping. Do you want to try another example?
Just some heard very nature is okay. Not confused the grammar ruler very detailed. So let us try the next simple future sentence. I will say I'm ready to swimming. No, I'm ready to sleep in the. I'm ready to sleep in the 10 o'clock. So, is that a simple future tenses?
I will be ready to sleep at 10 o'clock is perfect. It clearly expresses your future intention. Do you want to explore other examples, or are you ready to learn about future continuous?
I thought the simple tenses is already no for me. Let's move on the next verb tenses. The next verb tenses in my Notion document is present. So can you see this?
Present continuous is next. It's used for actions happening right now. We form it with am, is, or are, plus a verb ending in ing. For example, I am studying English right now. What are you doing at this moment?
Can you see what I'm doing this moment? You can see the laptop screen, and in the right corner, right below corner, you can see me what I'm doing now.
I see you looking at your laptop screen. You're trying to figure out what you're doing at this moment.
No.
You could say, I am looking.
You don't see the screen in the right corner. You can see a little camera in here, and I'm inside. You can see me. What I'm doing now.
I see you looking at your laptop screen. You're trying to figure out what you're doing at this moment. You could say, I am looking at my laptop screen right now. Do you want another example?
Oh, sorry. I'm drinking. So, I'm drinking. You don't see the laptop screen. So just I'm drinking and I'm say something. So I got a trouble. Can you describe? Can you teach me how to describe this trouble? I'm drinking and I'm say something. So I am. What this is?
You could say, I am drinking water and talking right now. Is there anything else you're doing at the moment?
No, I want to teach me a word, a action. It's about when somebody drink water and in the same time he say something. So the word is not very correct in her mouth and that he very not comfortable. So how do you describe this situation?
You could say, she is sputtering. That means she's speaking in short bursts of words because she's also drinking water. Does that fit the situation?
Yeah, maybe it's fit, but I don't know this word. Can you see this word again? Let me learn this word.
Sure, the word is sputtering. It means speaking in short bursts of words, often because you're out of breath or have liquid in your mouth. Is there anything else you'd like to talk about?
Oh, I got it. It's not the right word. Maybe you say the water is out from somebody's mouth. Is that right?
Yes, when someone is drinking and talking at the same time, it can sometimes cause the water to come out of their mouth a little. We don't have one single word for this, but you could say they are sputtering water while talking, or they are spraying water while talking. Would you like to hear some other ways to say this?
No, I thought we don't talk same situation. So let me try another way to describe the situation. Maybe the
Instead of focusing on the water coming out of their mouth, you could say, they are talking while drinking. This describes the action of doing both things at the same time. Would you like another way to describe this?
I will say the people who somebody eat something and the food is not not in mouth and not in stomach. So the mouth is just in the middle in his neck. So what can I describe this situation? The food is not in mouth and not in my stomach. It's just in the middle, in my neck, about the neck well. So how can I describe this situation? I will say the person something about the food. How can I describe this?
If food is stuck in someone's throat, you could say they are choking or gagging. If they are making sounds while this is happening, you could say they are sputtering. Would you like some more options?
Oh, choking and what?
The other word I mentioned was gagging. It means to react like you're about to throw up, often making sounds and throat movements. People sometimes gag when they are choking.
Is more likely choking and gagging. You said some food is stuck in my legs this well. So I want to say I before what I said the last situation is the water is stuck in my neck this well and choking or gagging. How can I describe the water? The water is stuck in my neck.
If water is stuck in your throat, you could say you're choking on water, or that the water went down the wrong pipe. Is that what you meant?
Yep, I'm choking by water. So the sentence, so the situation I want to describe is the water is what? Can you say it again?
You could say I'm choking on water, or the water went down the wrong pipe. Is that what you meant?
Yep, I'm choking by water. So when I speak and in the same time I'm drinking water, I will be choking by water. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. I'm choking on water is the best way to describe that situation. Did you want to explore any other phrases related to this?
I always find out this word, choke by water. So let's get back. My subject is to learn English verb tenses. So let's see the present continuous. Can you describe the present continuous again?
Sure. Present continuous is for things happening right now, and it's formed with am, is, or are, plus a verb ending in ing. I am talking right now.
So for now I can say I'm choking by water. Is that right?
I'm choking on water is correct. You could also say I'm sputtering water, or I'm coughing because water went down the wrong pipe. Do any of these fit what you're trying to say?
Okay, I got it. So this present continuous have something to pay more attention.
Yes, present continuous can also be used for future plans that are already scheduled. For example, I'm meeting my friend for lunch tomorrow.
I don't understand that. Can you explain on more detail?
Sure. We can use present continuous for future plans when you've already made the arrangements. For example, you could say, I'm flying to Tokyo next week, or she's starting her new job on Monday.
Oh. And the present continuous is more like another form, right?
Yes, the present continuous is formed with am, is, or are, plus a verb ending in ing. Do you want to try making a sentence using this form?
So, I can use the present continuous form to describe the simple future. I'm running in the tomorrow morning. So, is that right?
I'm running tomorrow morning is correct. It uses the present continuous form to describe a future event. Do you want to try another example?
So I got it. I just needed to say the verbs actually is doing or done is right. About the time is not very important. I can use this to describe the now, and also I can use the ing to describe the future except the past. Right?
Yes, that's right. The present continuous form, with the ing ending, can be used to describe both things happening now and in the future, just not the past. Do you want to try writing a sentence using the present continuous tense?
No, let us move on to the next tenses. I am understand the present continuous. The next is, you can see the screen.
Okay, let's move on to present perfect. It's used for actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past and is formed with have plus the past.
Sorry, I will interrupt you. The next tense is past continuous. So can you introduce this past continuous for me?
Past continuous is for actions that were happening in the past. It's formed with was or were plus a verb ending in ing. For example, I was studying last night.
So the ing form also can describe the past. So that is let me very surprised. So the past continuous, I can say I was eating dinner about 7 o'clock. So it's the past continuous. It also can use the ing form.
I was eating dinner around 7 o'clock is perfect. It clearly describes an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. Do you want to explore more examples?
So I thought I don't need to confuse the specific rulers. Just say the something using continuous like ing, even is in past or in future, in present is just okay. No, not very strict rulers for continuous.
While the ing form is used in all continuous tenses, it's important to use the correct auxiliary verbs like am, will, have been, or had been to match the tense. For example, I am eating, present, I was eating, past, and I will be eating, future. The auxiliary verb is what tells us the time frame.
It's just say in the sentence, what you said is the second word where is saying the time, but the continuous is in another verb, not the am, is, was, or will. So it's the real actor like running, eating. Is that right? Hello? The Gemini is not responding, so I will restart it. Maybe I talk very long. It's about half hour. So for now, I already know the past continuous and future continuous is enough today. So I will learn the present perfect or past perfect tomorrow. Today, I just need to figure out the simple present, the simple time, and the simple way and the continuous way is all right. The simple way and the continuous way also in present, in past, in future. So it's over about this video. Goodbye.